Hello friends, myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Welcome back after a long time as I had a health issue, so I was not able to make the videos for you. Now again I will start making videos for you. So welcome back to my channel. Here one of the question has been asked from my viewer, that is Yash. So yes, this video is for you and for all the viewers who want to learn about the polynomial, in which how to find out the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. So let us begin with this. Chapter 2, Polynomial, Mathematics Standard 10. The question is, find the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. The polynomial is given as 2x square minus 13x plus 15. So let us begin. First of all, we will try to find out the zeros for this polynomial. The polynomial, I will write it, that is px is given 2x square minus 13x plus 15. We want to find out the zeros. For finding out the zeros, first of all, we'll try to find out the factors of the given polynomial. And then we know that p of x will be considered as 0, so we'll find out the value of x, and that would be the zeros of the polynomial. So let us begin. That 2x square minus 13x plus 15, let us factorize it. So for factorize, you know that we'll see the last term and the first term, and we'll multiply this last term along with the first term as we already did. You can see my past videos also, that how to do the factorization, that I have already shown. This is 15 into 2. I'll write it here, 15 into 2, so that is 30. Now we have to factorize this 30 in such a way that you can see the sign over here, this is plus, means we need to do the addition. We need to do the addition of those two factors of 30 in such a way that we should get the middle term, that is minus 13x. So the factors of 30 must be, we know that it would be 10 3s, it would be 15 2s. Now normally what happens, what mistake students do, that they are taking this factor 15 into 2. As you can see, it is 13, so 15 minus 2 they are doing and bringing the answer 13. But see this sign over here, this sign is plus, means we need to find out those two factors whose addition will be the middle term. So this factor is not valid, but we will take these two factors, that is 10 into 3, that is 10 into 3 is equal to 30, and 10 plus 3, as this sign indicate, what process we have to do, we need to do the addition. So addition of these two factors would be 13, so 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, so this factor is valid. So let us write it here, that is 2x square, I will write it as it is. We need to do the addition, means the sign of both the term will remain same, and that sign we need to take it this one. To keep this minus 13x, we will keep this minus sign for both the terms. I'll write it minus, one of the factor is 10x. Addition we need to do the same sign, that is minus, other factor is 3, so it is 3x. So we split that, means two factors we have write it, 10x minus 3x, will do the addition, that is minus 13x. This is 15. I'll write it as it is, plus 15. Now I'll take the common from this 2 pair. I'll take it common from here. It is 2 as well as the x is common. So 2x is taken to be common. Here what is remaining? 2x has gone. It is 2x square. So 1x is remaining here. So x minus x has gone out. 5 2s are 10. So x minus 5. This minus sign I have taken common. And here you can see what is common. 15, that is 5 3s are 15, so 3 I will take it common, minus 3 I have taken common, so sign will be changed here, minus 3 I have taken common, so this minus x will turns to plus x, and this plus sign will comes to minus. So that is, I have taken minus 3 common, so this is plus x minus 5. Now I will take it common from both of this x minus 5 common, so I will take it out, x minus 5. Then what is remaining? Here in this it is 2x remaining, and here it is minus 3. This p of x will take it to be 0, as we want to find out the 0, so I'll write it 0. So this term, multiplication of both of this term is considered to be 0. That's why I can write it. Therefore, x minus 5 is equal to 0, or I can write it this another term, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Multiplication of both of this is equal to 0, so either this is 0 or this is 0. So if x minus 5 is equal to 0, so minus 5 I will take it at the other side as we are doing it normally, otherwise mathematically it is wrong, but we are doing it. So minus 5 other side will take it, that is x is equal to, another side will bring it, then change the sign, so x is equal to 5, or here 2x is equal to minus 3 will be going at the other side, it is plus 3, and this 2 will be going at the other side, in the this is here in the multiplication, so it will go in the division. So x is equal to 3 by 2. So these are the two zeros we got. So as they have asked, zeros of the polynomial are x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3 by 2. This is the first thing that we have find out here. It is find the zeros. Now verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. That will do it here. These are the two zeros. We need to find out the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So first of all, I'll write our polynomial, that is px is equal to 2x square minus 13x plus 15. Now for this, what to do? Here first of all I will compare it along with the original form. What is the original form, or we can say the standard form of polynomial? It is ax square plus bx plus c. This is our standard form that we have to compare. For comparison, what we can do? This will compare. So a is equal to 2. So I will write it. What is the value of a? A is equal to 2. If I will compare here, the sign is plus, here it is minus. So what is the value of the b? So it would be, this is x common, this is plus sign b. So here I will take it minus 13 as the value of b. Minus 13, and c is equal to 15. So these are the values that we have taken from our standard form. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 13, and c is equal to 15. What are our two factors, or we can say two zeros? X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So first of all, we'll find out the sum of zeros. If we'll do the sum of zeros, we'll see the first 0 is 5 plus another 0 is 3 by 2. Here it is 5, so it is 5 by 1. We should take the LCM. What would be the LCM? 2 and 1, so LCM would be 2. So this 5 would be multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10 plus, here its denominator already 2, so it would be 3. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 by 2. The same thing will keep it. As per the formula, we know sum of the zeros, as per the formula, what is that? Minus b upon a. Minus, what is the value of b? Let us see here. B is equal to minus 13, so that will keep it minus 13 upon a. What is the value of a? A is equal to 2, so this will keep it, that is 2. Minus into minus will turns to plus 13 by 2. You can see we have compared, or even you can say 13 is the coefficient, that is I can write it 13, I should write it here, that is minus coefficient of 13 is the coefficient of x, as the b is the coefficient of x, so we should write it of x upon a, that is 2. 2 is a is what? It's a coefficient of x square, so I should write it upon coefficient of x square. Now we'll go for the product of zeros. Product of zeros, first of all we'll take two factors, that is 5, or we can say two zeros, 5 into 3 by 2. as it is 5 upon 1. 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2. So 15 upon 2. As per the formula will go, product of the zeros. The formula is C upon A. Let us see what is the value of C. Here you can see C is equal to 15, so that I will keep it 15. What is A? Let us see here. A is equal to 2, so 15 by 2. It is same from both. So here I should write it. What is 15? 15 is the coefficient of constant term. So I should write it, not the coefficient. I should write it constant term upon 2. 2 is a equal to A. A is a coefficient of x square. So I should write it. It is coefficient. In short, I am writing of x square. So I hope yes you understand that how to find out the zeros and to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. This is quite easy. I hope all the students should understand it. Other student if you have any queries, you can ask me. Whenever I'll get the time, I'll make videos for you and I'll post it so you can understand. And I hope this video is very much useful for you. If you really like it, then click on the like button to motivate me, as well as share with your friends so they can also understand this, how to find out the zeros and the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Thank you so much.